Okay, hey guys, my name is Byunghyun Moon, and this video is for my Game Design 101 course midterm assignment. Today, I would like to introduce my game called Horse Run. To play this game, you need to have a game board that looks like this, and horses, a dice, the random cards, and more than 2 players. So I have 2 horses here. Now let me explain the rules. This is the start point, and whoever comes back to the start point, the fastest win the game. You will first roll the dice to decide the turns. The player who gets the highest number will get to start the game. For now, let's pretend there are 2 players, which is horse 1 and horse 2. So yeah, we need 2 horses here, and you will need more horses if there are more players. Okay, so let's say horse 1 got the higher number and start the game. Let's say horse 1 got 6. So horse 1 starts the game. I'll roll the dice for horse 1. Pretend I got, let's say 4. 4. Yeah, let's say I got 4, and I'll move the horse 4 blocks forward, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So horse 1 just moved. As you can see from the board, the only way you can go diagonally is landing on the big circles. Circles are number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Since horse 1 landed 1 block before circle number 2, which is here, the horse cannot go diagonally on its next turn. Now, I'll roll the dice for horse 2. Let's move the horse to the start point and pretend I got 5. Let's say 5. So I'll move the horse 5 blocks forward here, and the horse will land on the big circle. So this horse can choose to go diagonally or on its next turn, and obviously this is the shortcut to win the game this way. Now it's second turn for horse 1. Pretend I got 4 again. Let's say 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The horse will land on the block that says lucky. In this case, the player gets to randomly pick out one of the random cards, even though this block is called lucky. These random cards may be helpful, but sometimes may not as be helpful. For example, if you pick out a card like, say, this, you can simply just go 3 blocks forward. Some cards like this is the same thing, 3 blocks backward. And let's say some card like this. So you can, this card lets you move to one of the big circles, which says move to 3. It says 4, 5. So it means you can move to circle 3, 4, 5. So let's pick one more card. Card like this lets you move to the next closest lucky block, and this means you get to pick out another random card. So the next closest is going to be let's say this one, so you can pick another random card. And next one is a card like this will make the other player's horse move to the block right behind your horse. So this will help you if the other player's horse was in front of you, but when the other player's horse was way behind you, you might be helping the other players to catch you up. So it means you call the horse 2 right behind yours. Okay, now I pick out a card for, wait, we have one more card. It says this card might be a card that you never would want to get. You would have to go back to the start point, which says back to start points. This does not mean you win. This means you're starting over. Those are the random cards that we have. And okay, so let's move back our horses here. So now I'll pick out a card for the horse 1. Say I got this one, the random card, and it says move to 5. So I got move to circle number 5. As you can see how the board is mapped out. Circle number 5 allows you to turn any ways you want on your next turn. Of course, you can also choose to just go straight. Right now, I'll now roll the dice for horse 2. Let's say I got 3. Now horse 2 landed on the block where horse 1 is. Like this. Same circle. This is the last rule that I would like to explain. In this kind of case, horse 1 has to go back to the starting point, which is here, which means horse 1 will need to start over. So this is basically how the game works. I'm not going to finish the game since it may take too long, but I believe now you must have the basic idea of it. This game may end very quick and sometimes may take very long. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.